Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today the postman brings some beard mail. Yes, always like a bit of beard mail. It's obviously not a rare thing here, but today I thought I'd show you this. It's kind of a beard kit. It looks like one of those things that if you're looking for a gift for a bearded man, looks very, very presentable indeed. It is from Grizzly Adam, grizzlyadam.co.uk, and it is their travel friendly gift set. Now, box, plastic insert, and in there I have a 30ml beard wash with a pump applicator, a 30ml beard oil, and a 60ml balm. Now, 100% natural, CPSR assessed, which, as you know, is very important. This is going in the reviews queue. It's going to be coming to nearly the end of March, I think 18th, 20th of March, that I get round to testing these. Obviously the beard wash I can test almost straight away, so that'll be in a few days, and then once I've done all the reviews, put them together, I will do a kit review. But just to show you something that turned up, the Grizzly Adam travel kit, and I tell you what, that would be a very nice little kit to take away with you. Slap it in your suitcase, sorted for your holidays, and that's it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.